What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing another power hour video. I did one a couple of weeks and you guys were really excited for it to kind of be back and full effect. And if you guys don't know what a power hour is, it is a challenge. It's a challenge that was created by Style Mom XO, where you set 1 hour aside, you make a list. In this case, my list is in my head because I have to start it, but you make a list, you set an hour aside, you turn electronics off, and you just clean and get your list done. So I know some of the things I have to get done that I've been meaning to the last couple days, so we're gonna do that plus a little bit of tidying up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my clock. I had some trouble here. I was setting the minutes and then I realized, let me just set the hour. So the first thing I did want to talk about is that this video is sponsored by Filtered Day. They are actually a company that delivers high quality air filters right to your door. It's a subscription based company, which is super awesome. So basically they will have your filters on a schedule delivered to your house. So if you are busy and you forget about it, which most of us do, they're going to show up at your door and you're going to know you need to replace your filters. This company is awesome because they have 3 different filtration levels to meet your home's needs. They also offer free shipping. The benefits of replacing your filters, it just helps with having less dust and allergens in your home, which if you have people in your house that have allergies and asthma like we do, you are really going to benefit from keeping up with your filters. So right here I do have my son Isaiah replacing the filters because this is actually his chore, so he always replaces the filters in our house. So I will have information down below in the description box for you to check out Filtered Day. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and fold laundry. You guys know this is my least favorite chore. And I did notice a lot that I do have some dog hair on my leggings there, so I guess that's just part of being a dog mom now. So hashtag dog mom life. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and clear off our little entertainment center here. I am going to dust it with the Method all-purpose wood cleaner and kind of just clean out the toys that Ava has stuck in the little cupboards here and everything. So when I did clean off my TV, I folded the microfiber towel where it was dry, and that's what I dusted and wiped the TV. I did not put the product on top of on the TV screen.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room.
So right now I'm just going to go ahead and rearrange our throw pillows on this couch. And we are going to go ahead and just vacuum our loft and hallway area.
Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid calling your name.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm totally ready to get a handheld, no cord or cordless vacuum cleaner. I have asked for it for like Christmas, my birthday, and I have not yet got it. I got other great stuff, but not the cordless vacuum cleaner I want. So we are going to keep our fingers crossed that that is an investment that I end up doing soon, because I know it just makes life easier. But I do love my vacuum cleaner. It works wonders. It works amazing. So it's nothing about the vacuum cleaner besides the cord and the fact that it's not handheld. So right now we're just going to go ahead and clean my bedroom. It is a mess. This is what happens in like 2 days of our bedroom. Literally the whole place is covered in toys and clothes. That's just how we are. I wish it would stay neater 100%, but it's just not realistic for us. So I definitely have to clean it every couple of days if I want to have a tidy room.
The borderline into our dream.
And then this is my hubby's laptop. He was actually editing some videos. He started putting out videos. I don't think he wants me to mention his channel just because that's how he is. But he's doing a little editing now. So that's his little station right now on the floor. And I'm not going to move it because I don't want to hear it. My number one favorite thing is probably vacuuming my room. I absolutely love when the room is vacuumed. It is so clean and crisp and fresh, and I absolutely love it. So this is like a satisfaction. When I was doing this, I felt so satisfied. So right now I'm going to go ahead and clean off the dresser. So I did have to cut some of this stuff out because we had like some personal information on the dresser and insurance paperwork and things. And yeah, so I had to just kind of cut it short. But there's the rest of it. Then we have a lot of broken chalk pieces because Ava has a thing with like breaking her chalk. So right here's my little treasure chest. I kind of just put little handy things in there and hide it away. And they're usually things that I use on a daily. So I just store it in there so I can like get it out easier every day.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight.
So I am using this new candle I just got from Trader Joe's. I did mention it in a Trader Joe's haul from this weekend. If you guys didn't see it, go check out that video. I did a lot of fun stuff in that video. And it is a grapefruit candle. It smells amazing. Right now I'm just going to clean off all the dust from the nightstands and on the bedboard and all of that stuff with the wood cleaner. So now we're going to go in the bathroom, and this is not going to be a bathroom deep clean. I feel like I've been deep cleaning my bathroom so much lately in the past few weeks, but this is just going to be tidying up, doing the counters, cleaning up, and stuff like that. Getting clothes off the floor, you know my normal.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I wish you guys can see the sink just a little bit better. It was really gross. There was like toothpaste and little hair whiskers and stuff, but it was really satisfying to clean, and it's all clean now.
I can't help myself from feeling all alone. But you
So now we're going to go ahead and vacuum my stairs. I feel like I hardly ever film this because it's really hard to film. It's not quite that hard, but yeah. So we're going to go ahead and vacuum the stairs, and I really, really enjoy the vacuum lines that this brush leaves on the stairs. I don't know what it is, but I really like it. So you guys couldn't really see here, but we're having like more hair now that we have a dog, so I guess that's just the life of a pet owner. But there is like quite a bit of hair and stuff that I'm kind of getting out of the corners there.
We're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, where's the fun in doing what you're told?
So another thing I'm going to do is use the wood cleaner and just clean off the banister, the railing, the rails, and all of that stuff. So it was very dusty and needed to be wiped down and cleaned and all of that good stuff. And I've definitely made it a point to keep up with these types of little cleaning tasks because I have lived in homes before where I didn't dust like the baseboards or the railings as good, and then it had a lot of buildup over time, and then I hated it because it was like really hard to clean. But now that I keep up with it, and as long as you're keeping up with it and cleaning it ever so often, it's not going to get too bad, and you can make all of that area white again and clean and all of that stuff.
Freak out singing like, so baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the line.
Alright, you guys, so my alarm officially just went off. There's only 1 minute left, but I have to go anyway. Okay, so anyway, my alarm and my timer and everything just went off, which is fine because I have to go and get off it anyway. I got everything done that I wanted to get done. Everything is tidied up and taken care of, so I'm super happy about it. I challenge you to do the power hour, and it really helps you to get things done and stop procrastinating. And don't forget to check out Filter Day. I will have their information in the description box down below. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.